All right, guys, everybody here on Patreon, what is up, everyone? I hope you are all having a great day today because I know that I am, right? So, guys, we were stuck in this price channel. The price was squeezing down into this, and now we saw a nice pop to the upside, right? In the video this morning, I even said, guys, I think we're going to see some upside soon, right? I even said that this morning. And you know what, guys? While the rest of the market was buying in at 6K and selling their positions and going crazy and getting really pissed off and taking short positions down here and getting wrecked on the way back up, guess what, guys? We were staying patient. We were staying patient and we were taking positions on the way down, right? And guess what, guys? We are now profiting. We are already up over 10% already. You guys understand that, right? We are in some of the most bearish times Bitcoin has seen in a long time, and we're up over 10%, 11% plus, right? Guys, we're doing great. We're doing fantastic. If you have been following my calls, we're doing fantastic, guys. So, we had this interesting move right now. We popped out of resistance. If you guys were watching my stream, I was streaming for like 7 hours today. Right now, the price is kind of pushing down like this, a bit of a formation happening here. Doesn't really matter, guys. If we're looking at the volume, guys, we got to take a look at our volume here. Where are the sellers, right? Do we see sellers just yet? Not really. We see some profit takers up here. We don't really see whales dumping on this just yet, right? I don't see whales dumping on this just yet. So in my opinion, guys, it seems like the best idea here would be to just hold on. Just hold on to what we have, keep these gains, and let it ride, right? Sometimes you just want to let your gains ride. Even if the price does pull back here, even if we go lower, well, you know what, guys? This is an accumulation strategy, right? You have to be okay with your orders going negative for a certain period of time, right? Guys, we took a super low risk. Guys, we took super low risk positions here, and now we're profiting nicely, right? Again, you don't have to just slam it all and buy at the bottom. Yeah, I guess if you did that, you would be profiting really well. But guys, again, if you went all in here and the price pulls back, you're going to be panicking, right? So that's not what we want to do. Guys, we want to stay comfortable. We are comfortable right now, guys. So comfortable. I don't even know. I think I need a pillow, right? We are so comfortable right now, guys. That is why the accumulation strategy is superior. So guys, price is pushing up here. Could we see some downside? Of course, guys. I feel like we're going to see some more upside pressure here. Even if the price pulls back, we're probably going to see some upside pressure here. If the price does start pulling back, and I think it's getting ugly, maybe we'll take action. But guys, at this point, I think we just need to hold on, right? Guys, the price came down so fast. I think we're probably going to get a little bit more upside at least, right? And I think, at this point, I feel like based on how fast the price came down and how much volume we're seeing come in now, I feel like it is actually likely now that we see a continued push to the upside, right? We might even see, we'll see what happens, guys. But overall, guys, I think we're comfortable. We're gaining. We're comfortable right now. Let's just hold our positions. Let's just let it ride. Let's see how this goes, right? I think, guys, you know what? I think we're going to see a lot of panic buyers here. People not sure if this is the bottom, and they need to get in now. Well, guess what, guys? We already did that, right? So here's what we should do, guys. We should just let this ride, see what happens, wait for a significant pullback, try to see where the market structure starts to come in. Of course, we're going to see some good resistance coming in up here, right? So we'll see what happens, guys. But for now, let's just hold on to what we got. Right? The market is riding right now, guys. People are panic buying. People not sure if we just hit bottom. People are freaking out. They were hoping for lower prices, and they were getting a little too greedy, hoping for it to go down more. But guys, we took it slow. We got in, and now we're profiting, and it's great. I do think we're going to see an even stronger push to the upside. And we're going to be gaining, guys. It's fantastic, guys. We are in such a good position right now. I'm even surprised of the result at this point, right? So if you've been following my calls, pat yourself on the back, guys, because I think we got some upside here. Again, if we come to a spot that I think we're going to see major resistance and maybe even get a major turnaround, maybe we'll take profits. Maybe we'll take profits. But guys, It was a low risk situation getting in at these levels, right? And it's working out. It's working out just fine. So guys, we're going to let it ride. We're going to let people panic buy and get in and let them give us the, let them create the gains for us. Let them create the gains for us. We don't need to panic buy here, guys. We're in. We're making money, right? Now what we need to do, guys, sorry, I've been streaming for 7 hours. My brain's a little foggy, but guys, now what we need to do is let it ride, see what happens, wait for the market to create some structure, right? I'm expecting something to happen here, whether we see, major resistance, maybe we see major resistance and the price ends up pulling back. We'll see what happens, guys. At this point, though, I said it 1,000 times already. Let's just let it ride. Let's just see what happens. We're comfortable. All right, guys. Sorry, I just streamed for 7 hours. It's hard for me to come up with some thoughts right now. I am pretty happy about the way that we took care of this situation. At this point, guys, I think the market, like I just said, is going to be, oh, here's my SoundCloud page. I think the market is going to be panic buying at these levels. People not sure if they missed the boat. People getting scared. Panic buying, guys. That's what we're going to most likely see. Again, guys, do we have downside potential? Of course, guys. The price can curl around, but we are seeing some pretty good volume come in here. Again, as I explained earlier today, guys, if this is the bottom, we're positioned perfectly. We're going to see how the market plays out, and we'll take some positions, based on what happens, and then we'll let this thing ride, right? Right now, we could be forming, some sort of triangular pattern here. I'm not totally sure, guys. Maybe the price pulls back, and we play into this range. Maybe we even pull back again. Maybe we bounce out of here. Maybe, maybe if you go for a continued push before getting some rejection. Guys, we don't know what's going to happen right now, but all I do know is that we are gaining. We're making money, right? So let's just let it ride. Let's not get too greedy, right? Let's not get too greedy and sell here and miss out on some potential upside. That's the way that I look at it, guys. If you get too greedy sometimes and you can sell too early based on greed. We don't want to do that, right? Let's just let it ride, guys. We're in a nice position. I think it's worth just letting it ride, okay? I see a lot of orders coming in here. Again, people panic buying, guys. But we're ready for that. We're prepared, guys. It's great. It's absolutely fantastic, guys. Coinbase coming back up to 4,000. Guys, people are getting squeezed out of their shorts. Let's let the market make our gains for us at this point, guys, all right? If I sound excited, it's because I am. It's because I am, okay? This is going fantastically, guys, all right? Market's pushing up. We're seeing a lot of volume come in. Again, panic buyers, people wondering if they missed the boat. All right, guys, if you have questions, just let me know in the chat. There is a potential for us to be taking profits at some point. But at this point, we don't want to be taking them too early. We don't want to be taking them too early. Again, guys, I'm watching this market like a hawk. If I think something's going to happen, I will let you guys know. We'll see where we want to add in the rest of our 65%, right? We're not 100% sure that it's the bottom here. We're not sure. It could be. If it is, we're positioned well, right? We're not sure if it's the bottom, but we are prepared for it. All right, guys, we still got 65% of our capital to go. Let's position this well. All right, guys? I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will talk to you soon.